Hey guys, welcome back. This is Fitness Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you on how to convert a video to an audio file without the use of an internet. What I mean is that you're going to do it offline. You can actually pull out this effect or this act in Filmora. Filmora made it very possible. Filmora 9, Filmora 10, it works on both. So all you have to do is just get your Filmora, get it loaded, and I'm going to use a song. I want the audio part. I don't want the video with the audio. I just want the audio separated alone. So I can just listen it to my phone or whatever. All you have to do is just to import the music and then the fire. Okay, the subtitle is done by Inspirational Channel, link in the description. So I'm just interested in the audio. I'm not interested in the video with it. I just want to like listen to it on earpiece without having to watch it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just to drag the film or the audio, the film or the video into the timeline. So there are two ways I can get about this. Either I first detach audio like we did in how to create a lyrics video, link in the description below, or just export directly like that. So we're going to try the two ways. I click on your video in a timeline, then look for detached audio. When I look at this, now we have two things on the timeline. We have the video and the audio separated. I can just delete this video. Delete. Oh no. I have to select on the video alone so I'll know that what I'm deleting. People delete. Now I just got a blank screen holding the audio here. All I have to do is just export this one, even though you have not activated the Filmora already, it's going to work for it because an audio doesn't have a video, and there can't be a watermark on the video. The only way you can put a watermark on the video is by adding beeps to it, and Filmora didn't do like that. So just export it, name it whatever. And export. It's a pretty fast way of exporting an audio. Since we don't have to deal with we don't have to deal with the video part, it's going to be very fast. You can find the target when it's done, but let me teach you that method. Okay, instead of detaching audio, you can just do it directly. And just click export after you've finished dragging the video into the timeline. Export, then go to mp3 directly, then export. So you're still going to do it in a blank format, but in an mp3 format, so you're not getting to see anything. It's just the audio you're going to listen to. So let's wait for it, and after it's done we're going to find the target and see how it does. Okay, it's done now. Find target, prompted me here. Just click on it. So the system knew that it's in an mp3 format, so it doesn't have to open it with my video player, but it groove music. So thank you very much. I want to subscribe to this channel. If you want the subtitle of the Another in the Fire or any other subtitles on new songs or any other song, you can check Inspirational channel. You're going to see many of them, and they also got powerful videos that you will love. Thank you very much. I want to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. See you next video.